So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi! Do you know who my best friend in the whole entire world is other than you? Yeah, it's Meekah! And today you and I can draw Meekah's bag. She calls it a jam pack. Awesome! All right, first I'm gonna start with the color black. Then I'm gonna draw a very small circle in the middle, and then a larger circle around it. Oh, kind of looks like an eye, doesn't it? Whoa! And then I'm gonna draw a straight line across, but not in that very small circle though. All right, and then I'm gonna draw a squiggly line, and that's how she wraps it around her waist. And a squiggly line next to that squiggly line. There we go, how does that look? Whoa, I think it looks just like her jam pack, except let's add some color. Whoa, check it out. Now that looks like Meekah's bag. Whoa, blue and orange, my two favorite colors. That's so nice of her to wear those colors. Well, I sure did have a lot of fun drawing with you. And if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? All right, since she has blue and orange, why don't I draw with purple? All right, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!